I don't know if I do it.
Your hair. Okay, conditioner. I like all this little stuff.
Oh, you my everything. Yes.
It's made for you, baby.
Mm-hmm. You ain't telling a lie.
I ain't hurt. Be quiet. Oh, you don't tend to hate, are you?
You just welling away at my shit. Like it ain't connected to my scalp.
I'm not wailing away. I'm just combing it. I'm just trying to get the extra hair out of there. It's you, sir, my friend.
I beg your pardon?
Didn't come out.
I ain't know I was supposed to be combing down there.
Oh, no.
I thought you was cutting your missed service.
Oh, that was my post. That was my job. Maybe you're right. My bad, baby. My bad.
He said, I'm gonna do everything. I said, okay, I'm just sit here.
You right.
I'd have been blow dry and did everything, you know?
You right, baby. You right.
I
I'm
ain't
sorry.
gonna cut.
I ain't gonna cut.
Combed up, blow dried, I'd have been chilling. Big fro.
I hear you.
Big fro, ready to go.
Big fro. Mhm. Yeah.
But it wasn't gonna be like this though. All this conditioner and combing in the end and shit.
See, this is good. What you need, baby. Give you what you need.
That's all I need, baby.
That's why you need.
Yeah.
I like that. I can't reach to the side. You gotta sit up for me.
Sit up.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Up. Yes.
Oh, like this?
Yes. So I can just come this side.
I tell you, I don't love it here.
Huh?
Huh, baby? What you say? What?
You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Why you wanna fight with me? That's what you wanna do?
No, I'm not. I'm not a boxer, baby. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Don't try to get up. I say don't try to get me. Oh, my bad, Mr. Professional. You got it. How was that wash?
Amazing.
Amazing.
I needed to.
Just wait till the blow dry. Ooh. Excuse me?
How many?
Yeah. I ain't say nothing, baby.
You smart.
No, you doing that stuff on purpose, baby.
Sneezing and all this other crazy ass shit.
Me?
Huh?
My allergies, like, I mean, maybe it's your house, like you said. They don't like me.
It sounded like
It
you had
is my
allergies
nose.
before you got here.
No,
You did.
no, I didn't.
You did. You had
No, I
allergies all
didn't.
day.
No, I have not.
For sure.
All day? Are you kidding me? No
sure.
way.
For
No.
sure.
No, I feel it. It's clogging up.
For sure, Cap.
For sure.
Stop playing on my top.
You can hear it. You knew. As soon as I got in here, I started sneezing.
What you trying to say? It's dusty. It's a little dusty, man. I can see the dust flying in right here. Well, shit. Tell you want me to do. Call the Molly Maid people.
Oh my gosh, you were so funny.
In 2022, Congress passed a law requiring the president to give 30 days notice and specific reasons for removing an inspector general.
This law was passed in response to President Trump's first term when he fired 5 different inspectors general. The law requires the giving of 30 days notice to Congress.
Another one?
Watchdog. Senators from both sides sent a letter to President Trump demanding an explanation.
Another plane crash? No way.
Mark tell his side of the story.
When?
Mark, welcome.
Thank you for having me on. I appreciate your interest.
So I think just the obvious place to
Multiple
start
casualties
is
are
why
reported after
this
the
happened,
small
like why you
plane
actually learned
crash
that you were being dismissed, and
in
then with law
northwest
president,
Philadelphia.
how dangerous you think it is that the new president is getting rid of all these people.
What remote at?
Soon you believe
Do I like the remote holder?
You actually know.
Well, I found out last Friday night, a week ago,
Just turn it
around
on.
7:30. I'm just chilling periodically over the course of the night, and there was an email
I
from
got a hard time for you.
an internal White House notification.
I don't see it, baby. Oh, wait. Oh, no. That's your car key.
I'll get up and find this remote.
What you gonna do? What the hell you gonna do?
Find yourself in a whole lot of trouble.
I'm gonna find myself. See,
You see how
way
fast I
out
hold
of
that
reach. That was out of reach, baby. How am I supposed to find that?
Your arms that short?
Look.
That don't make no sense.
It's a 2-line message saying, in light of change.
You're watching this news shit all day.